Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by auditing your ports and goals. Identify the single HDMI and any spare display port or USB-C on your PC or laptop. Once done, pick the right device, an active HDMI splitter that supports two unique displays, not mirroring, or a DisplayPort MSD/USB-C docking hub if available. Make sure your monitors support the resolutions and refresh rates you want. This prevents unexpected scaling and bandwidth limits. You're starting with compatible hardware, so the rest of the setup will work. Now you physically connect. Plug the active HDMI splitter or docking hub into the HDMI port, then attach each monitor to the hub's outputs. Boot the computer with everything connected so the operating system enumerates both displays. You should then open display settings. If both monitors appear, you can set extended or arrange positions. If they don't, update GPU drivers and the hub's firmware, because driver support often determines whether the adapter can present two separate outputs versus cloning the same signal. Finish by customizing each monitor's resolution and refresh rate, and drag them into the desired physical layout in display settings so your mouse flows correctly. Make sure scaling is set per display to avoid blurry text. If one or both screens are mirrored instead of extended, replace the passive splitter with an active dual-stream device or use a docking station that supports multiple independent outputs. If things fail, swap cables, try different ports, confirm the hub has external power, and reinstall drivers to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.